we are doing this like TinkerCad. It's not on Minecraft or Roblox or anything, but it's really good. You can only get it on Apple computers, I think. See, look, and you can create these stuff. These are just some of the stuff that I created. This, I made a slime head, and I actually 3D printed it. And yeah, a month ago I made this house. It's really good. You can 3D print stuff from it. So let's create a new design. Let's go and create a new design. So TinkerCad is like really good. It's new as well. So we got this work plane thing, and there, as you can see, there's like shapes. So you can get like a star. You just bring that in, and then you can go to the top and you can lift it up, and it tells you how high it is, and also, and then you can like go there and then make it like really big, really wide, and then you can go like that, and then you can make it really high and delete it if you want to. And then there's text and numbers and making it home, so it's like some stuff you might have in your house, like maybe a pencil. You might have the pencil in your house, like I do. Yeah. And then it's really good. And then you can like change the size, and you can make any stuff you want. And then you can name it. So you could name this. It names itself sometimes. So you can just do this. Big pencil. Yeah, you can name it Big Pencil if you wanted to. Pencil. And then you could go here and press New Design, just in case you check if it's private. Normally, if you want to private so no one can see it, and then you can press New Design, and then it will just make the a new design. Sorry. And then say it's named Shiny Jakeys, and then you can say, look, it comes up with Big Pencil because it. But if you just go off the thing, if you press that, it won't automatically save it. And you can even make Lego stuff. It's really cool. And I've never looked at this stuff, but I don't know what that does. So you could make like, say, like a cardboard box, kind of like that. So you could just drag this in, and then you can make it whole or solid. And then if you press solid twice, you can change the colours. So here's just some random colours, and then you can change the like how bright it is, which is really good. So let's just make it this colour, like a cardboard box. And then you could, if you wanted to, you could get a box, another, or you could copy and paste it. But I think you could just like do this and make it like small, and then you could say yeah, drag it in here, and then like change its size a tiny bit, and like so it's like another layer, and stuff like that. And then I did make like this creeper head. So if I press more in my gallery, I did make this like creeper head somewhere. Oh yeah, I'll just show you my slime. Yeah, I'll just show you my slime head. I don't know why it's upside down, but you can press like tinker this, and then it will bring you to it. See, it's massive because I had to 3D print it, and it wouldn't fit my head because it wouldn't, I don't think. I had to make it really big. Yeah, see, it's like massive. And then I made this TNT pencil case, which I have. I 3D printed it. I don't know where it is right now, but I'll check. It might be one of these somewhere. It's really good, so you can press like these and learning the moves 6 months ago. You press tinker this. It's still loading, so I don't know what it is. So you could just do that. Oh yeah, this is it. It took ages. It won't look like that when it comes out. You just have to chop off these bits, and it was really good. See, there's like a hole you could put in there, and you could actually put pencils in, and it would say TNT, but you could have to just cut out these bits. It was really cool. Oh, and then there's this. Don't know what this is. So it's just a drawing someone made, like help you how to learn it. And then let's just go on to a big pencil. Actually, let's go on to a rabbit we made. So we found I found tons of rabbit bits. So, and like ice cream. So if I go characters, big hand, peace hand, and all sorts like that, and ice cream cone, and like bunny ear, and all sorts. Like I got these eyes, and then I got sneakers. And I got blanky guy, so I can just get this, pull out that, go in a bit, that's like that, whoops, and then you can just do this, add the sneakers on, both of them, like this, and then, ta-da, it's a rabbit with sneakers. It's really good. And then say, you could just get this jack-o'-lantern thingy, pumpkin, just says jack-o'-lantern. So I'm just gonna, so I just got 2 in, and then I make a blanky guy, or I get a blanky guy in. It's quicker to get it in, but some things you have to make. I made some stuff, and then you could just go in here and add this to fit that, like make it a bit higher and then bigger. Oh, some stuff, oops, and make it really big and wide, and you can make it as wide as you want. And then if you want to make like a house that I did, I made a house. I'm gonna name it house. See, I made a house all out of stuff I could find, and I made it with, it's quite big. See, I made it with this, a box, and like these roofs, and then like made it, it was really good. And then I found furniture and widened out the furniture and put it on, and then I got this box and just sprayed it like around there and everything, and that was cool. I'm gonna name it house right here. What should I name it? Yeah, just house. House. Okay, and then you go, yeah, so it's saved. And then I made this. It was 25 days ago, and then I just pressed tinker this. So then I got this box, and then made the head, which you can see. Oh, and I just want to tell you, you can lock it. So if you lock it, see, if you try to move it, you can't. So that's a good thing to use if you don't want to touch it. Anything, so I'm just gonna lock this all. And I don't know what this light bulb does. Oops. Oh, you can take it off. Like, it's an idea. So I just got this box, say, pull it out, and then I got another, widened it a tiny bit like there, and then did that, and then I made it a bit shorter, and then I coloured it white, and then I lifted it up, do that, and add it onto that. It was, and you can make any designs, but you got to save it. Weird guy, yeah. I'm just gonna name that. What? No, not weird. It won't let me do that. What? Am I spelling that right? Oh, I know. And then I just press that. Weird. Oh god, I just deleted it. Oh, sorry. Weird. What? Weird. Yeah, this. I don't know how to spell it. Guy. Okay, I'm gonna name weird guy because he kind of is. And then if you go. Oh yeah, you can. I just made this because my name starts with V, so I pressed tinker this, and then because I was doing this in my class for DT. So I wanted to make a 3D one of these and a plastic one of these that we made in DT. So I wanted just to make the this and then print it out, but I haven't printed that out. I thought I named that DT. I'm just gonna name that random. Yeah, that was. It would tell you like 0 minutes ago you named it. So, oh yeah, I just pulled everything I could find into this. So, I just did this. If you look here, there's tons of stuff. I just found like everything from all of these. Like the accessibles, grow, move, spin. This is massive. So I just add it in. And then you could like make this. I made this person bold. I don't know why. I made these people bold, except this person, the teacher. And then I just got like the guy. Well, I actually didn't get the. I didn't get the blanky guy for this, so I just made it, and then I added the pumpkin guy head on. But this cat I just found randomly, because I just did characters or something. Yeah, no, I didn't do cat. So you can get like an astronaut and all sorts. It's really good. And then, yeah, I didn't do characters. And then there's different pages if you want to find stuff. If you can do all, that's cool. And then, for some reason, it like shows you countries. So you can just add countries on like this. If you want to make a world, you can just add these countries. They're not very big, so you may have to make them bigger. But this one, it looks big. Oh my god. Europe maps. Wait, can I change? Or I can make it smaller. And look there. So now it just looks tiny. So a country just looks tiny. Why does China look that big, that small? The biggest one is this. Right there. And then you can get walls and all sorts. Like, see. Oh, you can get this TinkerCad house that like the people who made TinkerCad made it randomly. But if you want to improve, probably make your own house or add stuff to this. And then there's this custom house. Oh, so if you press it, you can change the length and the width. I'm gonna add it. Oh my gosh, and the height, and the door size, and the window size. Numbers of floors, 10. Numbers of stacks, 10. 8. No, that's 8. 10 there. What does it? Petro size? Let's see. Space between each garage. We can do numbers of garages. This is crazy. car size. Oh my gosh. And then we can just like this is glitched. This is glitched. Oh, I just delete. Yeah, let's probably go off the. Oh, it's glitched. Whoops. Anyway, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Just giving you a little tutorial, just quick. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye, guys.